Hello everyone, we're back with another good question. Let's solve it right away. 3 plus 2 equals 5. This is multiplication. 4 times 5 equals 20. Dividing 80 by 20 makes 4. If you solve the question this way, you'll get an error. So how do we solve it correctly? The way to solve this is to pay attention to the order of operations. The abbreviation for the order of operations rules is PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. There's another feature here. Multiplication and division are not ordered. They are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are performed from left to right. Let's solve your questions again using these rules. According to the rule, it's in the parentheses first, so we'll solve this. 3 plus 2 equals 5. The second rule involves division and multiplication. So what? We'll start from the beginning. 80 divided by 4 equals 20. The multiplication is done last. 20 times 5 is found as 100. Congratulations if you solved it this way. Now, find your answer to this question and write it in the comments. Let's see who can find the correct answer. Our videos will continue. Subscribe using the logo on the screen so you don't miss any new videos. You can access other videos from the boxes on one side. See you in the next video.